Legends of Learning presents The Wizard of Force Game. The Wizard of Force Game. This is a science game that makes learning about collisions and forces fun and easy to understand. In this informative, instructional game, you're a wizard seeking a legendary treasure and must make use of spells of force to move objects and solve the dungeon's puzzles. Your goal in this game is to find a legendary treasure by solving puzzles using your knowledge of forces and collision. Find treasure chests that have hidden spells or keys. Press the spacebar to use your spells to move objects with force. Press enter to open a locked door with the key you have found. Use the arrow keys for movement and cast spells to exert forces on different objects. Find all the treasure chests with your magic spells to win the game. Complete all the levels to win the game. Are you ready to accept the challenge? Do you have the right science skills to help you complete the game? Have fun and enjoy playing.